In today's video, I am going to show you how to change the read-only password or the investor password on Metatrader 5 app. So you can set it if this is your first time, you can set it for the first time. Or you can change it if you don't know the password that you had earlier used. So you go over to your Metatrader 5 and you will log into your Metatrader 5. Select any of the accounts that you want to change the investor password or you want to set a new investor password. Now, even if you have not changed it earlier before, you don't even know where it is located on your broker, as far as you have connected it to MT5, the app, you can actually change it directly from MT5. So when you log into your MT5, you are going to select whichever type of broker that you have connected it to MT5. So for this one now, I can make use of XM. So you can see I will click and connect this one. So this is my XM account that I have connected to this MT5. So I will log into it. Click sign in. So I am signed in to this XM account right now. It will be the first account that you will see it at the top here. So when you have signed in, you are going to go to the top right hand corner of your MT5. If this is your first time of coming to MT5 or using MT5, if you want to get to this page, simply use this upper left hand icon that you are seeing here. Click on it and you will see manage accounts. Click on manage accounts and it will bring you to this page. So as far as you have signed in to it, just simply go to the top right hand corner, these three dots. You are going to click on the three dots. So when you click on the three dots, you will see the option of change investor password. So you are going to click the change investor password. Now I will also want to tell you some brokers may use the word read only password or some may say read only access. Whichever one is still the same as the investor password. So when it brings you to this page now, you are going to enter the current master password. The master password is the password that you used in connecting this your MT5 account to your broker. Okay, so if you have any trading account that you have connected to MT5, that password that you use to connect it to the MT5, that is the master password. And in the master password, you can enter a trade, you can close a trade, you can edit and set stop loss and set take profits once you have access to the master password. But the use of this investor password is that it gives you read-only access. When someone gives you this password, the investor password, you can only see the trades that the person is taking, but you cannot close a trade, neither can you enter a trade. So you can only see the performance of the person, the trades the person is taking, whether it's in profit or in a loss. That is the use of the investor password. It gives you a read-only access, such that if you are an investor and you want to see how well somebody that you want to invest in his strategy is doing, you can ask the person for the investor password and the person will give it to you. You can use it now to connect it to MT5, and I will show you how you can use the investor password to connect it to MT5 to see how the person is taking his trades and the profits and the losses. So we are going to enter the current master password for this. Then after that, you will enter the new investor password. So you will enter any password that you want to use as the investor password. You will now enter it. Ensure that it is about 8 to 10 characters and it should also be having at least an uppercase, at least a lowercase, at least a number, and at least some special characters. So after that, you will click the new password confirmation and enter again to ensure that this second one is the same as the first one that you type, just for confirmation. So if it is correct, you will not have any warning. You can now click done. So you see, password for this account number has been changed. So because of that, now we can click OK. So this new password that you used now, you can now send it to the investor and the person can now use it together with this account number that is here and this server that you are seeing, XM Global MT5 4. You get, so send this server name, the login number or the ID or the account number together with the new password you've generated. You are going to send it to the investor and they can connect it to MT5. So I am going to show you how to go about that. So here we have known is XM Global MT5 4. Then we will now copy this number. So we can now click this plus sign that is at the top. If you are an investor and you log into your MT5, assuming you are an investor, you come to your MT5 when given the server name, the login number, and the investor password. You will now come to the upper left hand corner and click this icon. Then you will see the option of manage accounts. Click manage accounts. Then you come to this plus sign to add. Then you will search XM Global. Then click on it. So we are going to select the server and our own was XM Global MT5 4. Look at it here. So that as an investor, you will enter the server. The login number 82737653. So when you enter the login number, you are going to enter the password, the investor password that was given to you. We will now enter it here. So once you enter your investor password, click on login. And you can see it has connected you to that same account, and you will see at the top left hand corner is written read only, which means your access to this account is only for reading only. You cannot take a trade, you cannot close a trade, you can only view the performances of this account. And when you come to these codes at the lower left hand corner, let's say we are going to the chart, go to the chart. Over here, if you try to use these buttons to take a trade, let me click, you see they are telling you you are on the read only mode, which means you cannot take a trade here because you are logged in as an investor. So you can only read it, you cannot do anything. Now you can click the close. You can come to the trades menu here. If there is any ongoing trade, you will see it, but you cannot edit it or stop it or close it or enter another one. If the person with the master account has closed all trades, you can go to the history, click it, and you will see all the history of the trades the person has taken. So that is the use of the investor password or the read only password. And as you can see, you can use your MT5 app to log into it to view everything. Now, if you have any question regarding how to set investor password or how to change the investor password on MT5 app, you can just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.